kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kasap kapong kadai kawai na kiba ublay la ay kerpang yingi iwe pa iwe. Bun siyan ngimtip ya kata kasap kabang yudan, lamda dan kiba betin lenti bat ay man sim na manuri manu. Nakaliang nong tok kubo jong slam nong san Hima, hadin pula yo jingtip, badan ki kena pudi jong school St. Thomas High Secondary School Mairang, kiba dan kasap kaba kerpang, hala kijong, ulalay panyakandu ikini kisamla bantuat jingmut naki, bat ban sungau tu, ya katong kaba kidon, ban pen orlong yang kata kasap kaba kerpang, kaba ublay ula ayaki. Haba ay jingkren, bat ubay naki kena pude jokan ke school, ulamang kerpang el maunay, uba kasap kaba udon, kamkut tang kejala Meghalaya, henday ula yoru, kalat dan mikmat yang kejala syakiri kejala jong keri India. Badu dangshan ula yoru ban mikmat yang keri India syakiri Japan. Uniu samla udiu bala yoru iko kusna maka Inspire Awards manak nakasuar ka jala. Lingba kasap kaba open pau, kata kalong kasap kaba udan ban su juti. Kabala man penan kamya ka kum ke juti batru kum ke sandal. Uniu samla puli habaya keren mo nong san Hima ula pen pau ya kejing sengau komen. Maula yo man mikmat ya keri India sa Japan, pada ka jingyat nanti jong usyam mag Jingtreishitom mag Jingïaishah, gide ki Païa Baskhem jong ka Jingim jong Riew, man kenjo sya kata katong ka bakidon.
Ting singa gede lamang kerpang dong onai, ngasong sa apa worship, kuma 100 kilometer dari namai ra. Ka experience kabang yo na po Japan jingan phai de long koi ka chance ka ini kena school ban yo. Marba kajing develop jang Japan tu kali koi wa penkring ya ki sama puli dan koi ru kajing khoj jong ka jaka kalong ka ba bani compare ta sabun ong be maka apa serap ru mindan shoot tanga dustbin ya ki plastik ni ru ki mi shoot kalan ka ba ngayo ban expo Japan ka dei ni ba jong kan inspire manak ngade berang ya ka top 60 jong inspire manak aku 9th NLECP lalu 2019 nggak sedang ya bini kayu kau pun sekaba ngangale kadai ka sukam slipa kaba ngilak ban penangkap lang ya kata kom juti bat kom slipa ke idea kaba ngiyo Japan ta ha kalang ni ko balik nga ta kamdan jing ya di bat ka ketua ter kaba ngasna aba kadon jing mai pat jing don kam ka kom re jul kom ji ka jing kom Jingïaishah Japan ka per bahan panangi ta support Japan ta kitung jing tung tu kitung support jong building kim dong kamre ka sengi lani ko lagi penong kam dek LED lights itu ta ban penhe ban pensan jing tu lagi don ru giwi ter kiba kum kita single kai klum kidon da hero buat gitaru kilo ko soft toys untuk hi tambah gidi di hero buat jingon pa jangan apa Japan ke ya ba ngan ini kemat kawai tanya hadang haban fokus suai ke jingkuli lagi bahwa lagu tang adang song cross tu adang dang pun nanti bahwa adang ya kata ini apa persen bagi ya haji kata kayak ngajong kekam ke juti kayak ngajong kekam ngamla berpeni kale yang ke juti bagi jingkuli jong nomor ada kelong membawa ada buram arnget ki Riew haju kalau ya meni no way dan meni aban platform ke jingkuli ruhi dan platform jong jong ke juti bang sina ruhi
Habaya keren pat bat sa uwe usamla Donsap na kani ka school usamla don boklang ren tathyang ubala job ya ka international painting competition ulay thu bakum usamla puli usngong tanat bandro bat odur habaya de ka Jingïaishah ka Jingïakop draw dur uni usamla ulay thu ba umpoy perkhat ba unra ya ka jingjam namari ya ka dur ba udro la shupa online shikinong panyat henry hadien ba ulay yo ya ka kubor ba ulay job katnu usngong komen ba ka Jingtreishitom jong kamkut tang hala ka jong ka snong henry kapau shabaru Uniu samna puli ulai thu banadu dangret uju sngau tanat bandro de nakani ka penong yo u ban beteng bat shibun ki jingdro lala ban pendem pat shen kindon ki weiru bau dang dro bau don jing thmu bu na ban pen pau shu shu ya ka sap ka bau don
dan juga ada hidup dia song sa mai la ni student kadai ka jinjok jungai ketika commission kepala health dan tunar lingua house number apply January 26 kadai pangga jindro tai culture mai country mai India kadai kan competition kadai ka online competition national draw tu sistem isme online Hoi, kita ni học banyak sekolah nomor kedai ke kesam ke bah ayu pelai, kamu nampak pelai pelai, buat kalau tu panlong ni, kalau ayu kita juga, kamu bisa di dalam kamu sub. Jingtro juga kita main portrait tu, buat ni lagi kerja tu, ki anime tu.
Habaya kren bat kakmi jong ulamang kerpang kakong Joy Fin Mary El Maunai. Kalai thu manadu badang red ulamang ulapan pau ya kasap ka baudan bat day tat hadu unda he da san usala ban se ya ka. Shosok la kentu gi kmi gi kpa bi day ban pet ya kasap ka baki kun ki don bat ban ai men sim mi ki ha kata ka Bynta. La kenturu ya ki kmi gi kpa ban ai la gi kun la da ki pen pau bat trang ban kiu shakmat ha kasap ka baki don.
Mencuba lamang udah kena ubah semak balakai football. Dia ngajuk kami ubon sin. Jadi hadian makawan kini ke lockdown. Margam jusha ubon ni. Dia asdam menpelut pon, bandro jindro. Ubon sin jushong menit, udro ke jindro. Badai ngan untuk pon ni bawa asdam man. Ia terpasak bandro jindro. Hakapur bawa usna ban sedang banchna ya ketika idea kami udan. Dia usin cek ia hiban yo tiar hendrai. Lingba jingrap jingbei bahagian tiul ayo hi tigitar ban penankam lang ban pendak itu projek kecil yang jangan kami ngasulutan nama berkamtam ini kejok Bynta kibabun ki kena kila lakmiat ha ka social media dengan trai bleu ai ka sap hangi wei Riew tambah ngi haban budin man skap thuk ai ka sap ka ba bleu ai te kun ki kami kira man penslor lagi jom ki khon bamaki kan penpal kasak bamaki kidan kira ban ai mensia miki indai ban ong ba haman ba kili ni kam indai ban ong ba hemla ne yele sep hemla man pai ta thong hendai ai mensia miki penslor ki tong ba kin shen man ta kan no ka kam khnang bamaki kin pai sak ta thong ja jinjo
Habaya kran bat ka vice principal ka St Thomas High Secondary School ka sister Cecilia kalai thu ba shibun ki khana puli jong ka school gidan man pau sha ka perthai ka sap hnrei bun na kum gini ki khana ki kot not na mar kim dan kata ka lawe ka ba pharnai ban pin urlong ya kata ka sam kalai thu ru ba kum kanong pe ki khana puli kala lap ba bun na ki dan hala ka jong ka sap bat ki don ru ki khana puli ki badon kata ka thong ka ba ki don bat ki de ban pin trai kam ya ka kala kentu ya ka sarkar jilla ba ka de ban phai khmat ban mang pisa kerpang na kamta kini ki samla baki la ban kinjo shakata thong kumba ki don an pen urlong ya ka kumba ka long ha ka jila Meghalaya ngilap ya shibun ki samla ki ba kum kini hendai na kada kim don ya ka pisa kimla ban pen kibet shu ela ka sam mar kala shukut no bat phai khmat no shikwi ki Bynta tang ban im ban la ban pen biang ya ka yeng ka sam jong ki
Actually, Lamang was the first group which we sent those ideas. It was the first group we sent the ideas, and Lamang was selected, and we were very happy. Then we sent the second group. And the second group also we have one selected, Singo Halang Jarain. Then this year, 2023, we have submitted 4 ideas. So we don't know whether they will be selected, but we have submitted, and we will continue to submit every year the ideas of the student for Inspire Mana idea competition. 9 students so far to take part in this competition. 2 are selected. One has completed his project and he has won the top 60, and then he was selected to go to Japan. The only student representing Meghalaya to go to Japan. Actually, it was an online competition, and I got the invitation in the email as I was checking. So I found there some contact numbers were there. I contacted them how we could take part in that painting competition, and then they explained to me. So it was the lunar lingua. It was the first time that we had taken part in this competition. So I took his painting and then I wrote about him and then uploaded in the email. And after a few months, I got the reply that we were the first prize winners. I feel very excited because we just took part first time and we were the first prize winner. So it was very exciting for me. If there is an opportunity, obviously we will take part. The talent of the students, whatever is their talent, it should be exhibited and appreciated. There is one more thing I would like to say, like the government of Meghalaya should recognize these talents, especially like Lamang. He went to represent India in Japan. He's the only sole student who has gone from Meghalaya. I would like them to support even financially, not only for Lamang but anyone who is the winner of any competition, not only Inspire Manak but any competition. The government should give them financial support to continue their studies so that they can they can reach the goal that they have set. Like if Lamang wants to go for fashion designing in the footwear, then he should be able to achieve that goal. Otherwise, this talent will be just buried in the media. He will not be able to reach the goal. So I would request the government to do something for the talented students financially.